Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing unboxing bag with you. Those bag that is a little bit brand new, is a little bit expensive, but it's not too expensive to the extent to break your bank. And if you want to look chic, you want to look expensive without breaking the bank, continue watching, because I will be sharing some items, some bag that can take your outfit to the next level without spending too much. And it's something that you find a little bit interesting. Continue watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. Guys, this is the bag I will be sharing with you. Let me show you the name, the details. Versace jeans couture. I think this bag is very elegant, it's chic at the same time, so I can't wait to show you. But at the same time, it's something that you can really use as casual bag at the same time. So I love this type of bag. Let me try to reduce the noise of the paper. So let me show you the bag, the details. I think this bag is gorgeous. And the price point is amazing. I will say this type of bag I really like, because it's really enjoyable. It's those bags that you can style for outing, you can style for daily, depends on your destination, and the size is very appropriate, and it's part of their new collection. So I will leave all the links below, something that you find a little bit interesting, so you can go and pick your pieces. And they have something similar to this type, is something that you don't really feel this size. Personally, I decided to pick these pieces. I decided to pick this size because it's kind of little bag, but at the same time it's not too small, so I can add a lot of items I have. So I can use it as daily bag, I can use it as evening bag. That is what I was searching for. I was searching for a winter bag that I can use daily, I can use for evening, and it's amazing. I will say this bag is very season appropriate, and it's amazing. It's very elegant. So let me show you the details. It's amazing. And the size point is what caught my attention. Look at the details. I will try to show you the details as possible, because I think this bag is gorgeous. I need to remove these items. I think they look gorgeous. It's something that you can really take in consideration. You can only use it as daily bag. I think the size is very lovely and amazing. I just love the size. I think the size is everything. At times this fancy little bag can be very fancy, but at the same time you'll be finding space to put your car key or your phone. Can look very funny, and it have other pockets on the side. I think it's amazing. It's gorgeous. I would say this bag is very enjoyable. I don't know if you can see it. You can only use it as crossbody. So I think it's very important, especially when you are going for shopping or you are walking, you don't want to have anything in your hand. I hope you're able to see it. I think it's amazing. What I love about this bag is that I can really decide the destination. I can style it up, I can style it down. Personally, this type of bag with my denim, I'm ready to go with my coat. I just love the fact that the strap is adjustable. I think it's plus. It's something that you take in consideration, especially in the winter time when you are searching for a bag, because the hand is very important. And I love the fact that it's very elegant, it's chic, but at the same time it's not all over the place. So let me show you. It's amazing. And the hand, like I said, is adjustable, so you can decide to take it long, short. Depends on your sense of fashion, depends on the way you like to style your items. I think this bag is gorgeous, and the price point is amazing. What I love about this type of bag, that you want the elegance, you want class, you want to look chic and bougie, but at the same time you don't want to break the bank. Of course, you can decide to buy Chanel or dior. Those ones look very nice, but at the same time you might decide you don't want to spend such a money, you want to spend something that's a little bit lower. I think this is a way. I felt this bag is very gorgeous, it's elegant, and I will try to share other bags, because we all know that we all have different type of fashion, different type of style. I will share other bags that the price point is amazing too. So it's just a way to play with fashion. You are buying something that is a little bit expensive, but without breaking the bank, because I love looking bougie, but at the same time without breaking the bank. Is something that is very important. I love the elegance and the class of this bag. Just look at it. It's amazing. I can even decide to put the belt inside and just hold it like this. I think this bag is very chic. It's not all over this place, it's not over screaming, and it have these details of Versace all over this. I think it's amazing. Like I said, I will leave the links below so that you can check it. Guys, what I really love about this bag is the quality and the details. I hope I'm going to show you the front side. We still have this Versace finish. I think it's amazing. It's gorgeous, it's elegant, and it's evening bag, but at the same time you can really style it as a daily bag. I love this type of bag when I'm going out in the evening, so that at least I can keep every item, every necessary I need in this bag. I think it's amazing. And the closing point, if you are closing it, I hope you are able to see it. It's very easy to close. I think it's something that you take in consideration, and it's nice. And if you open it, it will make a little bit noise, so you will feel the bag when it's open. It's amazing, and this bag is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite. And Versace have exactly the same bag in red. This is something that you have interest for, so I just decided to pick it in black because I think winter time, because of my items, the way my wardrobe is made a lot of dark blue, navy blue, brown and black. I think black will goes well with my items, so I was just searching for those evening bags. The day I don't want to overdress, I just want to dress simple. You know those days that you want to put a pair of jeans but you still want to look very put together. I think this type of bag will just bring the outfit together, will just make you look bougie but without overdoing it. And guys, let me know what you think about Versace bag. I think this Versace jeans couture, I think is very elegant and chic. And I will share with you other bags I see there that I was just feeling it too. So but personally, I decided to pick this number here. So let me know what you think about this bag. And this is my baby as of moment. Guys, look at this gorgeous red bag. This bag in person, the bag is very rich red, so it's something that you have interest for. So I was already thinking about this red one or the black one I picked, but I decided to pick the black one. If something that you have interest for, red bag, I would say go for this bag, and the price point is amazing. I will leave the links below. This bag is gorgeous. I love the details, and the fact that they have a little bit hand gold chain, I think is amazing, because at times those chunky ones, they can look funny on your shoulder at times, especially when you are wearing long coat or winter. Depends of your sense of fashion. But personally, I love this type of bag. I think it's very elegant and chic, but at the same time you don't need to break your bag to look elegant and chic. I love this bag, so let me know what you think about this type of bag. If you're searching for a black little bag that is very elegant and chic, I will say give this number a try. Look at this black one. Although it's a little bit small, so it's not a big bag, so you have to take that in consideration. It's more like an evening out bag, so depends of your sense of fashion. But I was thinking about this number too. At the same time, I decided to pick a pieces that I can use for daily and night. This number here, well, personally, for my choice, for my wardrobe, it will work as a night bag because the bag is very minimal, but at the same time it's elegant and chic. I think this type of bag you can't go wrong. A black bag is those bags that you will use all over again. It's classic. It goes with your wardrobe, a total black outfit, brown, blue, navy blue, just name it. What I love about this type of bag that I take your basic to the next level. Just imagine yourself with your blue jeans, with your jacket and your jumper. This number, you will take it to the next level. And what I love about this Versace collection this year, I love bag that can work with my coat. I don't want anything gappy, anything restrictive. At times it will look very funny. At times I need my hand to be free. I will say this type of bag you will take in consideration because I just love the length. In fact, that the length comes very lovely. I think it's amazing. So let me know what you think about winter bag and coat, and something that is very elegant. I think this is just a way to take your outfit to the next level, but at the same time without breaking your bank. So let me know what you think about this type of brand that are a little bit expensive, but at the same time they are not too expensive. I think it's just a way to look polished and still look comfortable with yourself without breaking the bank. So let me know what you think about this amazing number. Guys, since we are talking about bag that is expensive but at the same time not too expensive, I love their bag because it's very chic and put together. It's effortless, but at the same time it's not all over the place. I love this type of bag that you can create that aesthetic, that polish, that finished look that will just make your outfit look put together but without breaking the bank. Look at this amazing bag. I love this bag. I love the fact that they have different type of tone of brand, especially for winter time. It's just a way to make your outfit look very polished and elegant. So you can always decide to play with dark jackets, light jackets, white jacket, depends of your sense of fashion. I love this type of number. I think that this type of bag is timeless. Guys, look at this amazing black number that Coach have. I think this number is gorgeous. Personally, I really love this number. I think it's elegant, it's chic, and I love the fact that they have this hand that you can decide the destination. I think it's very nice, it's elegant, although it's a little bag, so you have to have that in consideration when you are picking this type of pieces. But personally, it will work as an evening bag for me. So depends of your sense of fashion. I I love this type of items that will take your simple outfit to the next level. It's just a way to improve your presence. You don't need to buy brand bag, but at the same time, some of these pieces, they are very elegant and without breaking the bank. I think this type of brand is those brands that you can really play with. You can find your classic pieces that you can use to build your classic wardrobe. You can go wrong with a perfect classic black bag. I think this bag is very chic and nice. So let me know what you think about these numbers I'm sharing. Guys, in this video I'm sharing bags that look very elegant, that look polished, but at the same time without breaking the bank. So Michael Kors, look at this amazing nude bag. Wow, this bag is very elegant. I decided to pick this number here because some of us, we need bag for work, for business. Some of us, we are mom. I love this bag. I love the size. The size is not all over the place, but at the same time, it's not a little bag. I think this bag is very chic and elegant. And the fact that it's neutral, it goes with a lot in your wardrobe. I love Michael Kors items. I think they really work because I have one or two of their bag. I think the bag, after years after years, is still looking nice. It's still looking put together. So if you want to see my collection of my bag, let me know, leave me comment below. I will do it. I would like to share with you because I love this type of items that are a little bit expensive, but at the same time they are not too expensive to break the bank. It's just a way to elevate your wardrobe. It's just a way to elevate your presence, but at the same time in your comfort zone. Guys, the next bag I will be sharing is this amazing classic number. I love classic number. I think classic is those items you will style all over again. I have something that look like this in my wardrobe from Michael because I've been using it non-stop. This type of bag is those bags that you will use all over again. And if the first time you are buying a bag that's a little bit pricey, I would say go for brown or black because it's something that you will use all over again. And if you want to choose size, choose medium. Don't choose the big one or the little one because it depends on your sense of fashion, depends on your destination. The smaller bag can look funny on daily and the bigger bag can look too much on the evening out. So depends on your sense of fashion. If something that maybe you don't have a lot of bag that look a little bit expensive, I would say take medium size in consideration and take brown or black as color in consideration. I think it's important. It's just a way to build our wardrobe. It's just a way to take our present to the next level. Although you can almost style €5, €10 bag, still look polished, should look very elegant and chic. But it's just a tips, a way to look more expensive, more chic, more bougie, a way to play with fashion. And if you want to see any other type of video like this from me, leave me comment below. I will do it. I love this type of video that improve our presence, that improve our wardrobe and improve our elegance, but at the same time without breaking the bank. I really love this type of video and I love this type of bag. And if you want to see other video from me, consider to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video, and you are very welcome. My name is Uva.